Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce and demonstrate the Butterfly Weft, a professional extension method that's rapidly gaining popularity in salons worldwide. What you see here is the Butterfly Weft, a unique system that uses a transparent band with tiny holes to secure the hair. It's quick to install, reusable, and perfect for adding instant volume and length with minimal damage. So, how do you install it quickly and easily? Just a few simple tools are needed, and we also have them available for purchase. Contact your sales representative to get yours. Next, we'll walk you through the step-by-step application process, making sure the Butterfly Weft blends seamlessly with natural hair. Watch the transformation as we create a full, voluminous, and natural-looking style. Contact Bono Hair today to explore wholesale options and add this trending extension method to your business.